Good afternoon to all the participants of this India TV Summit and the organization. So today I want to communicate with you the consequences and ill effects of the pandemic, this terrible pandemic which we have suffered for a year, and what has it done to our efforts to combat TB and TB, how we were doing so well in 29. I want to show you the contrast of how well we were doing in 2019 and to the beginning of 2020. And then the pandemic hit. And then now that we are coming out of it, what effect it's had on us. So the question we have been asking ourselves is that we know that there has been an impact on our efforts on TB patients and the services that we were providing to them. How much the impact has been, we will be represented in this graph where it is very clear that at the beginning of lockdown, if we had notifications of 50,000, it dropped drastically to 30,000, 15,000, and this impact has lasted till about the beginning of this year. And when we see now that these people have been actually ignored or suffered that is the TB patients, because of the overlapping effects of pandemic and the distraction there was in our trying to survive the pandemic, that we need a lot of make-up time now. So fortunately, as we noticed, that there has been, by sustained effort, some recovery. And that recovery has led us to about 50% of where we were. Now what we are doing basically, and this is to study, like we are participating with the government of Haryana as part of our TB-free Haryana program, where we are actually supplementing the efforts of the Haryana government in battling TB. So as you will see on this slide, that there are definite drops like the rest of the country in our notification, in our experience with Medanta as compared to our experience in 2019 and 2020. So that's why I think that we now have only 4 years left for our stated goal of making India TB-free by 2025. Now that means that 1 year has been stolen from this whole effort, and we need to move forward in a more cohesive and concentrated manner with great cooperation with each other. When I say cooperation, I'm talking about the industry, PSUs, the government agencies and voluntary agencies like Medanta, that we should be actually aligning our efforts, doubling our efforts actually, to make it possible that the time lost is made up and the target that we have for 2025 is met. And in a way, I believe if we can do it together, that we will, in a way, I believe that if we do it all together, Haryana can be the first state in India to be TB-free. That means that all of us, under the leadership of the TB program of the government of Haryana, along with all the efforts that we are making, we just need to coalesce together this effort and move forward in tandem so that we can lick this terrible scourge that has been around the world, and especially in our effort to get rid of it from India. Thank you very much. And I would appreciate if the whole proceedings of this conference lead to a comprehensive program where we can all identify our roles and happen to be there in 2025 when we unveil that India is TB free. With that, good luck to all of you. Have a good discussion all day. Best to all of you. Thank you.